Forget everything you think you know about protein shakes, powders, and supplements. The truth is much simpler, much cheaper, and much more powerful than what the fitness and nutrition industry has been telling you for decades. If you've been worried about muscle loss, weakness, or feelings like your strength isn't what it used to be, prepare yourself. What I'm about to share may completely change the way you approach food, aging, and muscle health for the rest of your life. Because the reality is this: you don't need expensive powders or giant tubs of laboratory-made formulas to protect your muscles. You don't need artificial sweeteners, processed proteins, or complicated shake routines. Your body was never designed for that. It was designed for real food, natural food, wholesome food, the kind of food that humans have relied on for centuries, long before the supplement industry existed. And today, I'm going to reveal something the marketing world hopes you never discover, something seniors across the world have been shocked to learn. There are everyday foods, simple, affordable, delicious foods that can stop muscle loss faster and more effectively than any protein powder. Foods that begin stimulating muscle repair within minutes. Foods that protect strength, accelerate recovery, reduce inflammation, and feed your muscles exactly what they need in the natural form your body understands. One of these foods works so quickly that researchers have measured changes in muscle protein synthesis in as little as half an hour. Another boosts circulation so powerfully that it reduces soreness and improves muscle performance for hours. Another turns your gut into a muscle-supporting machine, and all of them cost far less than supplements and come with none of the digestive problems or artificial additives. This is Senior Nutrition, where we cut through hype and bring you real, practical science, supported solutions for staying strong, independent, and vibrant at any age. And if you're joining us for the first time, get ready. What you learn today may save you money, save you frustration, and maybe even help you regain strength you didn't think you could get back. Let's start with the food that surprises almost everyone. A food that tastes like a treat, looks like a dessert, but works in your body like a muscle building accelerator. Ricotta cheese. Not cottage cheese, not yogurt, ricotta. This soft, creamy cheese contains one of the most powerful combinations of natural muscle, supporting nutrients found in any whole food. What makes it special isn't just the protein, but the form of the protein. Ricotta is naturally rich in whey protein in its original, undamaged state. That's something no powder can claim. During manufacturing, protein powders are heated, filtered, isolated, stripped, and processed. Ricotta, on the other hand, contains whey the way nature made it, surrounded by milk's natural fats, minerals, and enzymes that help your body recognize and absorb it. This natural whey is rapidly absorbed, which means it reaches your bloodstream quickly. Within minutes, your body picks up on the rise in leucine, the amino acid found in high amounts in ricotta. Leucine acts like a signal. When it rises, your body flips from muscle breakdown mode to muscle repair mode. It's like sending an immediate message to your muscles saying, stop shrinking, start rebuilding. Ricotta also contains albumin, a rare, highly efficient protein that your body absorbs almost perfectly. This combination of whey plus albumin makes ricotta a unique whole food source that gives you the benefits of protein powder, but in a gentler, more natural, more complete form. And unlike powders, ricotta is extremely easy on the stomach. Soft, creamy, no mixing, no bloating, no strange aftertaste. You can enjoy it with fruit, on toast, or even in savory meals. But ricotta isn't the only unexpected powerhouse food, because the next one on the list seems like it couldn't possibly have anything to do with muscle strength. Watermelon, a fruit that most people think of as a refreshing snack on a hot day. But hidden inside watermelon is a compound that does something remarkable for aging muscles. Watermelon contains the highest natural concentration of L-citrulline of any food. When you eat watermelon, your body converts this citrulline into another amino acid called arginine, which then becomes nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is your body's natural way of opening blood vessels and improving circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen to muscles, better nutrient delivery, faster removal of waste products, and improved recovery after everyday activity. For seniors, this is especially important. As we age, blood flow naturally decreases. Muscles get less fuel, recovery slows down, but the citrulline in watermelon helps counter this. It can reduce muscle soreness, support physical performance, and enhance recovery. And unlike supplements, watermelon also comes packaged with potassium hydration, antioxidants, and natural sugars that replenish energy gently. Next comes one of the most convenient, affordable, and underrated foods for muscle protection: canned salmon. Wild caught if possible, but even regular varieties offer tremendous benefits. Canned salmon is one of the few foods that provides protein, omega-3s, vitamin D, and calcium together in one package, all key nutrients for muscle function and longevity. The soft bones inside are fully edible and rich in minerals your muscles rely on. The omega-3 fats help improve the efficiency of muscle protein synthesis. This means your body uses protein more effectively, especially as you age. And the vitamin D in salmon, which many seniors lack, plays a critical role in muscle strength and balance. The best part, it's ready to eat. You can store it for long periods, making it easy and practical. Then we have whole eggs, nature's original muscle, building food. Whole eggs, not just egg whites, provide one of the highest quality proteins you can eat. But what truly sets eggs apart is the synergy between the yolk and the white. The yolk contains vitamins, minerals, choline, antioxidants, and natural compounds that amplify the muscle protein synthesis triggered by the egg white protein. When you eat the whole egg, your body gets everything it needs to build and repair muscle. Eggs work better when eaten with vegetables because the healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. And eggs are affordable, easy to cook, and widely available. Moving from dairy and protein to something more ancient, let's talk about kefir, a fermented milk drink that has been used for centuries for strength, endurance, and overall vitality. Kefir contains more probiotic strains than any yogurt, and these probiotics aren't just for digestion. They influence inflammation, immunity, nutrient absorption, and even your body's ability to use protein. The protein in kefir is partially broken down during fermentation, making it easier for seniors to digest. It also contains slow digesting casein, which provides a gradual release of amino acids to your muscles for hours, making it ideal before sleep. This helps prevent the natural overnight muscle breakdown that happens when your body runs out of nutrients. Next is a food that surprises many people because it's plant-based but incredibly powerful for muscle preservation: black beans. These humble beans offer protein, magnesium, folate, fiber, and compounds that feed beneficial gut bacteria. The resistant starch in black beans boosts gut health in a way that indirectly supports muscle strength. Healthy gut bacteria produce compounds that reduce inflammation and improve your body's ability to use protein efficiently. Then we have beets, a deep red root vegetable rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide just like watermelon does. This improves circulation, supports endurance, improves efficiency, and helps muscles recover. Beets also contain antioxidants that protect muscle cells from stress. Finally, sardines in olive oil, tiny fish with giant benefits. Sardines provide high-quality protein, omega-3s, vitamin D, cocoon zero, calcium, and energy, supporting nutrients, all in a single can. Being packed in olive oil adds even more anti-inflammatory power and helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins more effectively. Sardines are quick, affordable, and nutrient-dense, making them an excellent daily or weekly choice for muscle protection. When you combine these foods across your day, eggs in the morning, ricotta as a snack, black beans for lunch, watermelon in the afternoon, salmon or sardines for dinner, and kefir before bed, you create a full day cycle of muscle support. Each food works differently, and together they provide everything aging muscles need: protein, circulation, minerals, healthy fats, antioxidants, probiotics, and natural recovery compounds. Whole foods work because they provide nutrition in forms the body recognizes. They contain nutrients that support digestion, absorption, and communication within your cells. They deliver protein with natural vitamins and minerals. They reduce inflammation. They support gut health, and they taste good, which means you're more likely to stick with them long term. That's the real difference. You don't need powder to build muscle. You need nutrients your body actually uses. Every meal is a chance to protect your strength, your independence, and your vitality. Whole foods do more than just nourish muscles, they nourish life. And the more you rely on real food, the better you feel, the stronger you stay, and the healthier you age. If this opened your eyes to the power of everyday foods for muscle protection, share it with someone who needs encouragement. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss the kind of practical, myth-busting nutrition advice that keeps you strong at any age. Real food beats powder every time. Eat well, stay strong, and take good care of yourself.